Uh, Cheeky baby in the house. Now I'm about to shout you out. Thanking you for coming, showing love. So cheeky baby in the house. Let me say you're nice and good. So let me thanking you for coming up. So cheeky baby in the house. Yes, I'm saying your name. And I'm saying that thanking you for coming up. So everybody's in the house. We're not gonna say your name, but it's so thanking you for coming up. Got the Robert again to do his thing. Yes, he gonna do his thing. So now I put your name up on a song. Saying that everybody getting up and getting down. So everybody, yes, I put your name up on a song. Got that shaky baby Robert again. Hold it down up on the chat. Yes, I'm gonna talk about to you. So now I'm a jaded and I like to keep it real. And I want to go and shout out you. Yeah, the shaky baby Robert again. People say we getting mad. People say, oh yes, I like the flow. Saying I'm over here, I'm over there. Some people telling me that and I hearing people up at my door. Singing cheeky baby, Robert again, and cheeky who? Yes, I'm over here, I do my thing. Said welcome to the chat, and when I'm over here today, then you know that why the bird do sing. So when I up it in my chat today, turn the to a song. Will you leave a comment in the chat? Said that yes, I'm over here, and you said that I'm a jet, and you know we getting down like that. I said a cheeky baby, Robert again, and cheeky who? Oh yes, we gonna say your name today. So everybody getting over here, we showing love, and you know we gonna show some love our way. So when I say that we rockin', oh yes, that we shopping over here just for you. Everybody's getting up, everybody's getting down, and you know that just so what I like to do. See the Reverend Terminator in the house will hold it down. Do you know that man that's dropping them songs? With the AR over there, them in the picture, it's so fire that he dropping some songs. We got the Reverend Terminator in the house of today, and you know I'm gonna go and give it out. Sin, I know he's over there from a Scandinavia, but he's showing love, but like he in the South. I said that everybody know what's up. Now you know what's going on. So now that I put you on a song, saying that everybody leave a comment in the chat today, and I put your name up in a song. We got the shaky baby Robert, get the Reverend Terminator, and the three the people come up in the chat. Till I'm over here, I'm doing this and I'm doing that. Everybody getting down like that. So when you got the music man, that's the name of the term, and the Terminator's up in the house. Send the Reverend in the front, everybody talking about him when you know he's gonna rock it from the sound. We got the Reverend Terminator now, just be going up and down. Yes, I'm over here to say your name. I said we over here just rocking and we ripping every day and we ripping it, but we are still the same. We giving shout out to the people, showing love and to the people, cause you know that's just what we like to do. I coming up with my freestyle, with my own voice, and then now that you can go and see me too. Then when I rock, when I roll, rolling up with my flow. Now I'm gonna say good night today. We got the people in the chat. Now I'm gonna say your name, and we gonna say your name up on it. We got the shaky baby Robert again, Reverend Terminator. Everybody, yes, I'm gonna say your name. Everybody know I am the J, the titulator. When I'm over here to just to say your name. We got the Reverend Terminator, Robert again, the cheeky baby in the house, and you know that's what I do. So yes, I'm over here and I'm doing all my thinking and I'm here to just to shout out you. All right, there we go.